Welcome to Staying Ahead of the Wave, the financial literacy economic empowerment movement, where we build generational wealth, break generational curses, and truly believe that to enrich your mind is to change your life. Today, I will be presenting to you our crypto curriculum orientation with everything you need to know about crypto pertaining to Lionshare. So the first question you may have is, what is cryptocurrency? Well, cryptocurrency is a digital money created from code. It's actually digital cash, so to say. And the cryptocurrency economy is monitored by a peer-to-peer internet protocol, which basically is thousands of servers all over the globe, and it's 1,000% decentralized. Also, the cryptocurrency is encrypted by a string of data, which basically signifies one unit of currency. So it's decentralized, it's highly encrypted, it is impossible to hack, and some examples of cryptocurrency are Bitcoin or Ethereum or XRP, also known as Ripple. Now, we'll be discussing a lot about Ethereum, as it is one of the featured cryptocurrencies that we'll be using in our crypto curriculum course. So I just wanted to give you guys a functional definition of what Ethereum is. This is according to Wikipedia. Now, Ethereum is the second largest cryptocurrency platform by market capitalization behind Bitcoin. It is decentralized open source blockchain featuring smart contract functionality. I'll get a little bit more into those terms a little bit later on in our orientation. But Ether is the cryptocurrency generated by Ethereum miners as a reward for computations performed to secure the blockchain. The Ethereum miners are the ones who actually regulate the blockchain. All right, and so you're probably trying to figure out, why are we talking about Ethereum? You know, what is it that's so awesome about this Ethereum? Well, just take a look right here. This is a recent article. Investors are now rushing into Ethereum as gains surged by over 262% in 4 months. And look, the timestamp on that article is just July 25th of 2020. So that is not too long ago. Right, so here are some facts about Ethereum and the price predictions. Ethereum right now is about $400 a coin. As per market analysis and enthusiasts, Ethereum has a high probability of a price surge, and Ethereum has a great roadmap scheduled for 2020 and years to come. Ethereum might be the future, as it is the first cryptocurrency to come with a smart contract or documentation without human intervention. Now, it's debatable on whether Ethereum is better than Bitcoin, but we do know for sure that those are the two top most cryptocurrencies in the world and the most difficult ones to hack. I mean, it's argued that Ethereum is the strongest encrypted cryptocurrency because it's actually written into the blockchain. Now, Ethereum might reach $2,400 just this year, which is also another great thing to note. Remind you that Ethereum is only about $400 in Ethereum right now. So if you've never used cryptocurrency before, you're probably trying to figure out how this all works. So let's just imagine that you go into a virtual supermarket and you're requesting to purchase an item and you need change back. All right, so someone requests a transaction. The requested transaction is broadcast to this peer-to-peer network consisting of computers, all right, and the people who mine, and they also validate transactions and all these things. Now, that peer-to-peer network validates the transactions and the user's status utilizing this algorithm. And once verified, the transaction is combined with other transactions to combine a new block of data for this digital ledger that they call the blockchain. Now, this new block is then added to the existing blockchain, which is like basically the digital ledger, like I said, and in this way it is permanent and unalterable. At that point, the transaction is complete and everybody walks away happy with what they came to the party with. Now, the verification of a transaction can involve cryptocurrency, contracts, records, or other information, and not just cryptocurrency. All right. Now, the other thing to note is that the supply of cryptocurrency is determined not by a central bank, but by a network of decentralized computers on this virtual network. So let's talk about what apps are being developed on Ethereum right now. Now, the Ethereum platform can run applications across a broad range of services and industries, including, I want you to think about some of these industries: finance, real estate, and insurance. And decentralization may profoundly disrupt many million-dollar industries like these. So the decentralization of existing services is what we are looking at right now. And you're probably going to need to know about smart contracts, as you're going to be working very closely with them now with our lion's share opportunity. So a smart contract is basically written as a code into the blockchain to delegate to the blockchain what should happen should certain events be triggered, and then at that point the assets are released to the necessary parties. In other words, the cryptocurrency is sent to certain addresses based off of the actions that are taken that triggered them. And these smart contracts can be studied, and they're recorded, they can be studied, and everybody can understand every activity that's taken place. They're extremely transparent, so nobody's in the dark about what happened or why it happened. All right, so what's so awesome about Lionshare, you may be asking? Well, Lionshare is now providing the newest Ethereum smart contract. So just like this little flyer here says, join our team now. You'll never miss your commission payment because the smart contract dictates to the blockchain to send the commission straight to your crypto wallet. You'll pay one time for your various different smart contracts, but the contract lasts for a lifetime and you can earn for life. And the next best part about it is it's 100% decentralized through the blockchain. So this isn't even income that you'll be taxed on or anything like that. So I want to explain this in a way that maybe make a little bit more practical sense to you. When you join Lionshare, you are actually purchasing a smart contract, and these smart contracts are likened unto the deeds of digital real estate in a virtual game of Monopoly. And we've all played Monopoly before, so we all know in Monopoly, it's all about getting the property, all right? And that's where you get paid properly. So just imagine that you're coming through this virtual game of Monopoly, and you start off on a Mediterranean or Baltic, which would be essentially your starting point where you purchase your first 0.04 worth of Ethereum just to get started. That's 0.02 for Lionshare 1 and 0.02 for Lionshare 2, and those are the two compensation plans that you're running on simultaneously. But what happens here is that you have about 16 different smart contracts that you can purchase on each of those, for a grand total of 32 smart contracts that you can purchase, each of them progressively being more valuable. So you can go all the way from your Mediterranean Baltic property all the way up to, let's say, your Boardwalk Park Place property. And some of the property that I'm on right now, as far as my smart contracts, allows me to get payments on up to 8 Ethereum. And remember that Ethereum is about $400 in Ethereum right now. Not only that, I can also get paid from any one of the other smart contracts I have already purchased existing at the same time and simultaneously. So there is no limitation to how much you can earn. And remember, these smart contracts, you possess them and you possess them for life. So that is a beautiful thing. And the blockchain is regulated through that smart contract that dictates that it's going to pay you for the lifetime, not only for what you bring to the table, but for also how our team grows globally. And this is a global opportunity. So that is what's really awesome. This is what you need to know about cryptocurrency pertaining to Lionshare. And another thing, I would be remiss not to inform you that I myself personally have made over $30,000 in just about 2 weeks just utilizing the Lionshare program in and of itself. So it's really awesome. It's phenomenal. And that is nothing, because that Ethereum that's worth about $400 today may potentially be worth $2,400 at a later time. And then take a look at this. I mean, I've done pretty well, but people have done way better than me with this new system. So, I mean, think about it. 15 days, 6 figures, $101,000, and the smart contract is completely transparent. So you can just punch in somebody's ID and you'll know they're telling the truth, because you cannot hide it with the smart contract. It is impossible. So that's pretty much most of what you really need to know to get started here, as far as the terms and the things that are relevant to what we're doing here at Lionshare pertaining cryptocurrency. And I thank you for enjoying this video, watching it, and becoming a little bit more informed. If you're just joining us from YouTube somewhere and strolled upon randomly, please feel free to like, comment, and most definitely subscribe. And I'll be sure to leave some valuable information within the body of the video itself in case you decide that you'd like to join us or find out how to get started with us here in Staying Ahead of the Wave. So that's my time. Remember, giving is living, sharing is caring, learning is earning, and here at Staying Ahead of the Wave, you'll have an opportunity to do all three. Enrich your mind and change your life.